You bent the foot. How's my foot? Nothing down my foot. You bent it.
I didn't bend it. Matthew closed it and I kicked it.
Guys, get in there.
Fuck
No,
You'll
you
fit.
fit in there.
I will.
You bent the thing.
I just
I'm not going there. Once I go in, I'm not gonna get out because you're gonna be like holding down for like the next 10 minutes.
Okay, just get in there.
Fuck that.
Do it. Do it for the team.
go in there. Go in there.
No.
If you could fit in here, I'll give you $20.
Really? Yeah.
How the hell would he fit in there?
Stay in there for 5 minutes.
You retarded. No, go in there. I'm gonna get fucked
You're
by
not gonna
$20.
fit in here.
Go into the fridge.
Yes, I made it.
You make it.
Okay, this time I'll go in, but I'll actually be in there.
You guys broke the fridge?
No.
You're trying to go
See, if
in.
we
I
could-
can fit.
Clearly, if I can fit, you can fit.
Can I?
Move! You're not
Recording.
Of course it goes off.
Yeah, but I was unaware. Every time you open the fridge, it's a little choice.
Take the other side. Aaron, can I record on this one?
This thing will break.
You gotta do it, Dag.
You weren't bad.
Landscape,
It's like the one that I
Get your mouth. Can you take it
You
out?
can't take everything out of the fridge.
You can.
That's horrible to make.
Awesome! It's like the air conditioner. Get out of here! It's my fridge!
You're sweating.
I broke it again.
He's dripping.
Wait, wait, my foot.
You gotta fit in the process.
That's what she said. Bye.
Go close it.
Bye.
I thought it was going to be Mexican.
Wait for someone to open it.
And then pop out.
Wait, let's move this stuff.
Someone
No. Why is it shaking?
So guys, we got someone go in the fridge.
No, I...